Hi, this is the second in the series of videos about how to deal with debt collectors. I'm Josh Denbeaux. I am a consumer rights attorney. I've been a consumer rights attorney for 25 years, concentrating really exclusively in consumer rights for the past 12 since the 2008 recession. We're coming into some tough times together. And the debt collection industry is going to be moving into high gear because people are going to have less money than they had before, but their expenses are still going to stay the same what they were before. Or basically, the fixed expenses. So we're going to end up in some difficult times where debt collectors are going to be pounding people over and over and over and over and over again. And I want to talk about some strategies on how to deal with debt collectors. The most fundamental thing that everybody needs to understand is that the debt collection industry is governed by federal law. And the federal law that governs the industry is called the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, which you don't need to remember. What you need to remember is they're allowed to collect debt in a way that is not abusive, harassive, or fraudulent. So an example of something they're allowed to do is they're allowed to call you at work. They're allowed to call you on your cell phone until you tell them in writing, don't call me at work, don't use my cell phone. Once you say that, they have to stop calling you at work. They have to stop calling you on your cell phone. But you have to do this in writing, and you have to do it in a way that makes clear that you sent it and they received it. So I recommend certified mail. I know it costs you about $5, but it's worth it to be able to prove that you said this. Because if they do continue to contact you, you almost certainly have a claim, which means that you're going to have any number of lawyers lining up ready and eager to take your case for exactly $0 from you in order to sue that debt collector, whether it's an attorney or not. An attorney doesn't matter. They're still debt collector as long as they're collecting for somebody else. Sue that debt collector in federal court, which will get you $1,000 plus your actual damages, whatever they may be, if anything, and the attorney gets paid. It's a great case. Everybody makes money except the bad guy. So keep in mind, if a debt collector is calling you at work or calling in your cell phone, you can stop that from happening and potentially even turn that harassing calls into something that makes you money. All right? So I hope this helps people a little bit, gives them a sense of empowerment, gives them a sense of peace, gives them a sense of control. Because you do have some control and you have some authority and some power even in the debt collection relationship. So look, we're in some tough times. We're in them together. We're going to get out of them together. All right? Be strong, be safe, be smart. Later.